This is a quick video on how to flash a TBS Crossfire or Tracer module from bootloader. So you're going to hold the button down on the unit and plug it in via USB. And you'll get a blinking green light on your module. You wait for the tile to pop up. And you're going to select Settings. Go to Firmware, then you're going to select the firmware that's latest for you. I'm going to go with 6.10. And hit Update. Then you're going to want this whole process to go through. So you have to wait for it to finish complete before you unplug anything. Now it's updating the subsystems. And it's complete, and that's the full process.